Hey, this is Brett Hiley, HiWEB.net. I'm sitting here in my computer lab with three Windows platform machines, mostly Windows XP, I think, maybe Windows Vista. This tool will work on either XP or Vista. I've got a USB memory stick with a Linux automatic boot file system on there. It'll boot up and run Ophcrack, which is a Windows password cracker. So I'm going to take this USB memory stick, plug it into the USB port on the back of this computer. Most of the time you can plug it into any USB port. What you want to do then is power on the computer, and watch for BIOS menu to come up saying something about like a boot menu. In this case it said hit escape for the boot menu. So notice on this computer, which happens to be an HP computer, we have a boot menu here, and there's several options. What you want to do is look for the USB boot option. So we're going to use the down arrows on the keyboard, scroll down to USB, and select that boot option. Notice now it says Ophcrack Live CD. There's some boot options here. We're going to go ahead and just select the automatic boot option. Let the file system and tool boot. It's going to automatically run through booting here, a whole bunch of junk on the screen, if you will, and then automatically run the tool, display all your user accounts on that system, as well as crack all the passwords through grabbing the NT hash and network security files off the file system. So let it boot here. Usually only takes a couple minutes. Now, if you see this screen, you notice immediately it identifies most of the user accounts on the system, and it immediately has a LM hash and an NT hash. And then over here in these other columns, it'll start displaying the passwords. Notice that right away. There's the administrator password, 786. So we have the administrator password. That's all we need. We can now log into administrator and basically go to control panel, user accounts, select any account, select change password, and type in the new password. You've got complete ownership of all accounts on this system. That's it. When you're done, just reboot the computer, log into the account you want, and you're rolling. Notice that. There's the other passwords for this system. So all the accounts, passwords, Ophcrack. That's Ophcrack. Google it. Have fun.